There, in this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about RAND and RAND between formula in MS Excel 2007. So RAND and RAND between formula is basically to find it out some numbers or random numbers. That's why it's known as RAND. It means random numbers, provide random numbers. For example, you wants to do a tutorial, wants to teach someone. You need numbers, and we often does that we create some sheets with random numbers. It takes some time to create random numbers. So in that case, this RAND formula can help you as some way that you need not to worry about that at some point at whatever cells you require to fill with the numbers with random numbers you can provide. So basically what the formula is RAND. It is RAND, and then any number you want. For example, one number between the decimals. So this is what the random number is in the decimal. For example, you want a number between for example between 0 to 10, then you can easily multiply between 10. So this is what the random number is. For example, in between 100, so in between 100, for example, 100. So this is what the random number is. So for example, if you want to fill this number, you can easily just need to copy that, and for example, these must cells I needs to fill out with these random numbers. So I paste it, and you can find it out. It's now pasted with. So these are the numbers are now available. This is what the values, for example. Sorry, so these are the numbers. Now for example, once again, let me cross check it and provided the details. Now for example, equal RAND into 100. Now I just copy this and wants to fill the entire sheet like this. Paste it. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me find it out a number once again for you. Just RAND. This is number. Then RAND 10. Okay, this is what the number is. RAND. Okay, once we're gonna get the random number RAND into 100. Okay, this is where the random number is. Now just copy this. Now paste it in these numbers here. Now for example, if now these are numbers. Now you want to select this number, and for example you hit enter, these values will keeps on changing. And even if you press F9, the number keeps on changing. So that is because the random number is not fixed, and it will keeps on changing because it needs to provide. There's no foundation that what number you're going to provide in the cells. Now for example, you want to keep these numbers on there, means like if you need not to change, you don't want to change. So you can go with there is an option called when you select copy, then you get the option called paste special. At paste special, you will get the option called values. When you click on it, you will find out that these two cells numbers will keeps on changing after pressing F9, but these numbers will stop changing. These numbers remain same, and these cells number, the 1 and 2 cells number, will keeps on changing now even after pressing F9. So that's because we just changed that property of pair by going to the paste special. Now this is what you can find it out with the RAND. Now there is another option called RANDBETWEEN. Let me find it out. RANDBETWEEN. Now this is, for example, a small database wants to find it out just for the tutorial purpose, and nothing official wants to tweet it out. It's just for the tutorial purpose. I just wants to add some numbers to teach my student what exactly the thing is. So how I got the numbers, for example, there is called RANDBETWEEN, and in comma, that is in bracket. It means that bottom, where is the bottom number you want it. For example, all these students has been passed out their subject, or for example, the student has failed out on a subject. For example, if I say from 1 to 33, I want the number between 1 to 33. So these students are failed in the subject. So for example, this is the random number 25. Let's copy these numbers and paste it so you can find it out. The number has been followed, and you can change it. The change is keeps on working. So F9, you can see that numbers are there. These numbers are between 1 to 33, and if you want to change number, you can copy the entire digit values. Okay, so once it would change, it will not be tweeted out. You can see 9 number will remain same. So this is how you can find it out, the numbers of random numbers between some formula, and to teaching purpose, for tutorial purpose only, it basically works out. So hope you learned something about RAND and RANDBETWEEN formula. Thanks for watching.